In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download Minecraft Death Swap for free. Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. If you are new, please feel free to subscribe. If you happen to enjoy this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Really helps out the channel a lot. And if you haven't already, click the notification bell so you will get notified every time I post a brand new video. So the first thing that you guys want to do is you want to go ahead and click the first link in the description. That's going to take you to this website. Now you just want to click download. Just close out of this because that's just an advert. You don't want to mess with that. So, and in a moment, this is going to start download. It's right down there. So all you want to do is open it up. This is just the command block code. So you don't want to just highlight it all and copy it. Now this is for the earliest version 1.9. I'm pretty sure you can do it for further versions, but I'm going to be doing it in 1.9 for this instance. So if you go ahead and give yourself a command block, place it down and just paste in this code and click done. And just like that, you now have Death Swap. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have a friend who's just joined. To start the game, you just want to click this. If you click that, it will get rid of it. As you guys can now see, we've traveled about 12 million blocks away. So these swaps, they can be random between like 30 seconds and 4 minutes. It's completely random. And every time you swap exactly to where the last person was. So say I just wanna, I could do that and my friend would be dying when we swap. If you guys want to see how much time you have, all you have to do is type this command, click enter, and you can see on the side we've got about 400 ticks left before we swap. When one of us gets to 0, then we're instantly just gonna swap. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the bottom of this small lake. We're just gonna wait till the time's done before we start going down, just before it. Looks like she's ended up dying. She was pricked to death, meaning I won. So we're both back at spawn. Now, if you guys want to get rid of this, because this is pretty ugly, just right click here and it's just gone instantly. It's left a little bit of a trail. It also puts you automatically in adventure mode, so you can only hit stuff. When the game starts, it puts you in survival, but currently we're in adventure because the game's ended. But she died, which means I won the game, which means I'm the winner and I'm the best. So if you guys want to download this, make sure you click the first link in the description. You copy that code, paste it into a command block, and then you can start the game. Just the only other thing you might have a problem with is you need a buddy. If you don't have a buddy to play, then you can't play. But yeah, if you guys have enjoyed this video, please feel free to hit the like button. It really means a lot. And if you haven't already, click the subscribe button. It helps out the channel so much. And also click the notification bell and you get notified when I post a new video. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. This has been Jacob, and I'm out.